Hello everyone! In this video, I would like to talk to you about a question related to the change of base values of a reactance in per unit. The question says that in a power system, an electrical equipment has as rated values for power and voltage 20 MVA and 100 kV, and that the reactance for these rated values is 0.04 pu. If the system in which this equipment installed has as base values 50 MVA and 50 kV, calculate the value of the reactance in per unit for the system's base values. Okay, my friends, this is the question. Let's go to the solution. We begin by understanding that the value of a reactance in per unit for one base system is equal to its value in ohms divided by the base reactance of that system, system 1. Likewise, the value in per unit of this reactance in system 2 is going to be equal to the reactance in ohms divided by the base reactance of that system. You can see that we have X here and X here. With this we can infer that what is this? How do we understand this? We understand that using the value of X, we can correlate the values in system 1 with the values in system 2. And from this we get okay, this is the expression that we're going to use to solve this exercise. But since this reactance here can be written as the division between the square of the base value of the voltage and the base value of the power, and that the same can be said for this reactance here. We are going to substitute this here to arrive at the final expression. with this expression here, we can calculate what the problem wants us to calculate. Substituting the values here, 0.04 pu, VB1 100 kV, VB2 50 kV, SB2 50 MVA, SB1 20 MVA. Using this data, we arrive at the final result. And the new reactance in per unit is 0.4 pu. Okay, my friends, this is the video that I wanted to make. I hope you enjoyed it and learned from it. I am a teacher. If you want to book a lesson with me, use my WhatsApp number, guys. Goodbye!